Hello everyone, my name is Matt. Thank you so much for filling out your JoesGE repair catalog repair form. At this point, you're probably wondering how you ship your headphones into us, and that is what I'm here to help you with. You're going to need a few things. The first of which is the shipping label that you were just emailed once you completed that repair form. Now you do want to check your junk or spam folder because sometimes it can end up in there. You're going to want to notice also on the shipping label that there is a weight determined on there that the shipping label is good for. If you're just sending in one set of headphones into us, it's going to say something around 12 ounces and it'll be a first class mail envelope. You want to make sure that you don't use a priority mail or a priority mail express envelope, as these will charge you extra at the post office. You're just going to want to get one of these standard brown postal envelopes from your post office or something similar to this. However, if you are sending in multiple electronics to us, you may end up with a label that says priority mail on it, and in that case, you're going to want to use this red priority mail envelope. Now this label does have all of the information that we're going to need to recognize whose headphones these are once they arrive. It has your name, your shipping address, and an RMA number on it. So if you are using your own label to get a faster service or an insured service, or just because you wanted to use your own label through a different shipping company, you are going to want to make sure that your name, address, and that RMA number are at least inside the package, if not on the outside of the box. Next, you're simply just going to want your headphones and the case that they came in. If you don't have the case, that's totally fine. You can either just put the headphones directly in the envelope, or you can wrap them in some bubble wrap or other protective material. We don't want any other accessories with your headphones, and any original packaging that's sent in with them will be thrown away. With the label applied, you can simply just put the headphones in their case and put that inside your envelope and take it to the post office. Once we receive your package, we will notify you via text and email, and we'll get to work on it within a few days. And just as a reminder, these labels from our website are not insured, and we're not responsible for any lost or damaged packages. If you do have any questions at all through the repair process or during the shipping time, feel free to reach out to us via call, text, live chat on our website, or email. We're here to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you guys so much for choosing Joe's. Have a wonderful rest of your day.